Hi friends, I'm Error Slayer and in this video I will show you how to fix unusual activity detected in ElevenLabs. Firstly, if you're connecting to a VPN while using ElevenLabs, this warning might be the reason. ElevenLabs flags VPN IP addresses because many users share the same IP address. Therefore, you should disconnect from the VPN while using ElevenLabs. The second method is to open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the upper right corner. Then click on Settings. Open the Privacy and Security tab from the menu on the left. Then, click on Third-Party Cookies. Scroll down the page and click See All Site Data and Permissions. Next, use the filter to search for ElevenLabs. And delete all cookies associated with ElevenLabs. If you are still seeing the warning message, restarting your router might also help. But I must warn you, the more you continue using a VPN or multiple free accounts, the more you may keep getting this error again and again. I hope this how to fix unusual activity detected in ElevenLabs guide video was helpful. I tried my best to explain the situation and offer a solution. If you wish, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.